Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry.
Good evening.
Good evening. I know it's not morning, but may I help you? My mom's a lawyer, so I would just like to wonder what's going on right now.
Well, I mean, he's not supposed to be drinking in the vehicle.
Oh, well, he wasn't really driving. So.
Okay, but he's still behind the driver's seat.
He wasn't drinking. We were just about to go into it.
That's fine.
Alright, how much more weed do you have in the car? How much more weed do you have in the car?
I'm sorry. Can we call our parents or something?
Alright, you can turn the car off for me.
Okay, yes sir.
You got an ID on you?
Are we gonna take him out of the
Yes,
vehicle?
sir.
There's not 95.
Okay.
May I call my mom right now?
No.
I know my rights, so I'm gonna call my mom. May I reach for my phone right now?
You need to stay off the phone, please.
I'm allowed to call my mom. That's my right.
You got an ID on you?
Are we gonna take him out of the vehicle? Alright, well, we need to do that because she's not.
You can breathalyze him. He hasn't been drinking.
Alright. Step out.
Wait, no.
You need
You
to step
can't
out.
take my phone.
Mom,
Leave the phone.
give me. No, you can't do that. I'm gonna. What's your badge number? What's your
You have all
name
that
and badge
information.
number?
Signal 13, 1020, Library Garage, 6366 Listen.
No, sir. I know my rights.
Okay,
No,
listen,
she can't do
listen
that.
very carefully, okay? Listen very carefully, okay? Before you
I wanna talk to my
listen.
mom.
Listen very
I'm
carefully
just
before
on the
you.
spectrum,
Okay.
and I just like to talk to
But
my
listen
mom.
very carefully before you get yourself in bigger trouble,
Just
okay?
listen. Just listen.
Listen
Please,
very
please,
carefully,
please,
okay?
Please.
We are going to
Please.
conduct a narcotics investigation,
That's
okay?
fine, but
So,
talk to my
you need
mom.
to comply with everything that we tell
I
you
just
to before
know my
you get
rights,
dragged
so
out
I'm
of the
allowed to
car,
talk
okay?
to my mom.
Okay, so now what I need you to do is, right, is step out of the car before I
I'll
have to
let
drag
go,
you out of the
just
car,
let go of
okay?
me.
We are not letting go of you, okay?
Okay.
So, I don't think you understand what I just told you, okay? So what I need you to do is step out of the car before I drag you out of the car, okay?
Thank you. One foot at a time. Alright, you have stuff up here?
I just put my vapes on my purse. Where's my phone?
Step out of the car.
I need to make
This
sure
is the
this
third time I told you,
there.
okay?
You are being
The
recorded by
next
my
time I
camera.
have to tell you something, I am
What
going to
police-
yank you and I'm going to take you to jail. Do you
What's your
understand?
badge number?
Okay, 36522.
36522 Jason record
Yeah.
that. Are you recording?
You can turn it on. You can lean on the car if you want. Can you stop
I'm
walking
autistic.
away?
I'm stimming.
Okay, so just lean on the car so you can relax. So calm down
This
and
works.
take a
Did
deep
you
breath.
put a spoon to this?
I just need you to take a deep breath, okay? You're being recorded. You're on camera, so everything's being
Is it on?
recorded.
How long
My
have you
camera
been a
has
police
to be on.
officer for?
For almost 15 years.
15 years?
Yes. My camera's on.
I'm sure your sergeant's
Our
gonna love
cameras
to
have
hear
to
about
be
how
on.
you've treated me
You
tonight.
see, well, you see how you're being right now? I'm trying to work with you, and you're sitting here saying
You're the one who dragged me out of the car.
I did not drag you out.
It's in my
It's on your camera, and my
It
mom
is,
will be
and you're not being
dragging
dragged out the car. You
She'll
are not
see,
being dragged
she'll
out the
see
car.
footage
Man,
of
where's your
your
ID?
My ID is in my wallet. It's camouflaged. It says Florida driver's license on it.
I'm aware of what I do. That's where you're going.
I mean, I don't really know. I mean, I was just kind of relaxing in the car until I had a flashlight. He was very careful not to drink and drive the whole way here. We were just about to go into the club for a couple hours.
She's way too nervous for her.
Yeah, she was trying to sit on the weed pen, so that's what she was concealing. Just trying to see what else she was concealing.
She called her mom, so the phone should be on and open
I don't
in the thing.
She was on the phone with
Yeah.
my mom, and you hung it up?
Yes, I did.
You can't do that.
Okay, take it to court. I can.
Oh, I will. Thanks.
How old are you?
I'm 12. I wasn't drinking.
So, okay, what about you?
I'm okay, thanks. You can get a lawyer.
What's your first name? What's your first name? Okay, so I'm gonna make this very easy for you. I will call
We're being rid of Miranda
Yes,
rights.
you have-
We're both going to jail, Jason.
No, it means you're detained, and it means if I have to ask you any questions about what's inside the car, I have to read you these. So I'm going to read you a list of 5 questions. I need a yes or a no. Being scared is unfortunate when you break the law. You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand? I need a verbal yes or no for my camera. You are being audio and video recorded, so that's why I need a yes or a no verbally. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Can you repeat that?
Yes, of course. Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand? Okay. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
I want one.
You want a lawyer? Perfect. I have to read you your rights as well.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Anything you say may be used in court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You cannot afford a lawyer and want one. One will be provided for you before questioning without charge. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand? Has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you in coffee?
No, sir.
Okay. Your first name is Jason, right?
Yes, sir.
Because she wants a lawyer, I'm not going to speak in front of her. We're going to come over here. So we come up to the car. We check out what cars. That's pretty much our job.
Yes, sir.
In your cup holder, you got a bong.
Yes, sir.
Car smells like weed. She's sitting on top of a THC pen. There's another one in the cup holder, and I found one in the back seat in a Lululemon bag.
Yes, sir.
I know one of the pens is hers because she's sitting on it. I know one of them is yours because it's in the cup holder by the bong with a media reach to you. And there's one in the back seat. Does anyone have a medical marijuana card?
No, sir.
Which pens belong to you?
Am I allowed to stay silent?
You are. Okay, you're done talking, right?
If you have any other questions, I'd love to answer them.
So once you choose to not answer a question,
Okay.
my line of questioning is done.
Okay.
Are you invoking your rights?
Can I ask a question, a clarifying question?
You can clarify the question, yes.
Okay. Would me agreeing to answer questions make this investigation go smoother?
So, at
Does
the
it
end of
make
the,
any
at,
difference?
at the end of the day, you both are still not under arrest. You both are detained.
Yes, sir.
But like he said from the beginning, I have to do a narcotic investigation.
Okay.
There is 3 weed pens in the car, which is tetra cannabis,
Yes.
which is illegal in the state of Florida unless you possess an active medical marijuana card that shows that that's on your script,
Yes, sir.
as well as a bong. The car smells like weed. You guys must have just finished using the bong in there, or it's still fresh residue.
Yes, sir.
Either way, that's why we're here. That's why we're probable cause searching. That's why I'm up to this point of asking you questions.
I understand.
At the end of the day, I have to investigate my crime.
Yes, sir.
My question to you was, what inside that vehicle belongs to you? If you choose to not answer, that is completely okay. I go off my own inference.
Yes, sir. I've never been in this situation, but from what I understand, I've been taught to like not mention anything.
That's fine.
That's out of respect,
Completely
not
fine.
like towards you.
It's completely fine. Let's send you back over there, okay?
Yes, sir.
We're doing an investigation, so you cannot be talking. Just stand over here. I'm not dragging you, so please stop. Okay, well then move over here. Take deep breaths.
I'm really trying to.
I don't see you taking a deep breath. I would just try to take deep breath. 1 deep breath. Slow it down. Just slow it down. That's it. Just slow it down. It's gonna be okay.
No. It's like.
It's gonna be okay.
So, just so you have some information that might be useful for your life going forward, you don't know as much as you think you do. You probably watched a few videos online and you think that you're an educated lawyer.
Well, I'm in school for it. My mom is.
Well, then she's going to help you out. Because you're going to jail for a felony for having the THC pen tucked underneath your leg. And I don't think she's charging you with resisting, which she has every right to. Because when you're given a lawful order to exit the vehicle, you exit the vehicle. But that's her. I'm just charging you for the drugs.
Please get in the car now so I can go.
You can once we have a car here. It's on.